Hi everyone, it's Jamie here from FX Learning. Now in today's video I want to talk about my own personal trading and where I am with it. Now there is some live trading at the end of this video, so I suggest you stick around and give it a watch because it is worth it, trust me. Now I've been trading for around 5 or 6 years now, and I remember when I was a beginner I used to spend a lot of time in London watching institutional traders trade in Canary Wharf. And the one thing I wanted that I knew that money could never buy was their knowledge, their years of experience of the charts. I wanted what they had in their brain in my brain, and I realized that no EAs, no indicators, no online courses will ever achieve that. The only way you'll ever do that is by spending days, weeks, months, years of chart time to build up that confidence and that knowledge. And that's the one thing I wanted. Now, I set myself a challenge for this week to trade just pure price action. And when I mean pure price action, I am talking no moving averages, no binary destroyer, no stochastics, no RSIs, no oscillators, no trend lines, no support and resistance line, just basic market knowledge, just basic candlestick patterns, literally nothing. And I'll show you my results, okay? Let me log into my MT4. So as you can see here, okay, let me just turn the camera because there's a light there. So you can see here, £215 today, and this week I'm just going to blank out the my deposit, okay, £1,372 over 4 days because Monday was a public holiday. A 100% success ratio. Now what did that tell me, and what bit of advice can I say to you? It made me realize that everything outside of you and the charts is just distraction, and I mean literally just distraction. Everyone out there, okay, is going to give you their opinion on the charts. You know, buy Euro USD. No, you should be selling it. Why are you buying there? You should be selling here. You know, you should be taking trades at the close of this, and just forget about it. There's only two people you should really listen to when you're learning to trade. A, your mentor, and B, yourself. If there's one bit of advice I can give is believe in your own abilities. This week, when I was trading pure price action, I was 100% confident in my own abilities. I felt happy, I felt comfortable in what I was doing. If I lost trades, I accepted it. Now, luckily, I didn't lose any trades. I hit 100%. Okay, but I had no distraction, no moving averages, nothing, literally nothing. Every bit of news out there is manipulated, okay? So just forget about it. Sit there and learn the charts. And yeah, it is so overpowering, so amazing feeling when you can do something like that, because to me that is true financial freedom. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, okay? I watch a lot of people trade, and there's a lot of gurus out there that will try and impress you with, you know, Fibonacci levels and Elliott waves and harmonic patterns, and they will talk a load of jargon, you know, like they're trying to sound professional, like they're trying to impress you. And to me, the most successful traders are the people that just trade nothing, just not even a moving average on their charts. And I traded everything on my phone. It was literally, I felt connected with the charts. And I believe that's the only way you will ever master the charts, is by learning that. And the only way you're going to do that is just by spending time with yourself on the charts. Now, you've got to understand there's no holy grail, okay? You're not going to win every single trade, and I understood that, okay? Even when I was trading pure price action this week, I understood that every trade was not going to go 100 pips. I understood that I was going to have to hedge some of my positions. I remember taking a trade on NZUSD because it formed a nice double bottom support, double bottom pattern, and it broke that support area, okay, come back down, and I hedged my position because I knew that Yes, there was a support line here, and I knew that that had been broken, but I still believed that price was going to reverse and go into an uptrend, because by looking at the weekly, I could see it was an uptrend, and I closed those positions all in a profit. So even though if you lose a trade, do not doubt your own abilities. If there's one bit of advice, okay, is just believe in your own ability. Everything is in your mind. Before I watched this video, before I made this video, I watched a video about Tony Robbins, and he said this, and it impacted me quite a lot, that I'm going to explain to you. Is nobody wants to be the richest person in the graveyard. When you look after your body, everything outside your body looks after itself. If you're a happy person, you live a happy life. If you're a sad person, you live a sad life. If you're a happy millionaire, you live a happy life. If you're a sad millionaire, you live a sad life. What I'm trying to say is, if you are happy and you're confident and you know your own abilities, when it comes to trading, everything starts to flow and make sense. The worst thing you can do is when you go to trade is be frustrated, emotional. You know, this person's telling me this and this person's telling me that. Just blank it out. Lock yourself in this room, or that's what I do, or lock yourself in a room and just focus on the charts. Now, to show you kind of my abilities and what I've done, I've done some scalping for you off the 1 and 5 minute charts, basically trading pure price action, no moving averages, nothing. Now, I did have to hedge some of my positions, which is good, because you will see that even though I got my analysis right and all those trades went into profit, I got my entries wrong. Now again, that's not me because I was wrong. I just entered too early in the market, and I was still confident that my own analysis was right and the price would reverse. So I hedged my position until the price did reverse, and I closed it in everything in profit. So yes, my bit of advice is just focus and believe and trust your own abilities on the market. So yes, let's head over the charts now and watch me scalp some price action. So let's go. So what I want to show you now is the power of learning to trade. Learning to understand how the charts move and how they react. Now, only 1% of the world will ever fully understand how the market works. Now, there's good EAs out there, good strategies, good indicators, a good count manager. But learning to trade really starts with this candlestick pattern. So I'm going to show you exactly the power of learning this, and nobody can ever take that away from you. When you learn to actually understand the market, everything just becomes far more clearer and powerful. I mean, let me give you an example. The binary destroyer, I feel, is the best indicator on the market. If you take every signal with the trend, you'll become successful. If you take every signal against the trend, you'll lose money. Now, whose fault's that if you lose money? Is it the binary destroyer's fault? Is it the strategy's fault? Is it your fault? Is it the market's fault because it hates you? The answer is, it's no one's fault. You simply haven't learned to know when to take the good trades and the bad trades, when to trade with the trend and when to trade against the trend. And it all starts with this. So as you can see on my charts now, I have no moving averages, no support and resistance lines, no trend lines, no oscillators, no RSIs, nothing, just market structure. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scalp the market for you, show you exactly how powerful it is to trade, because what I'm in theory doing is making money out of nothing. I'm not waiting for a moving average to cross this, or waiting for the MACD to cross this line, or waiting for a pivot point or Fibonacci level. I'm trading none of that. I'm just trading raw price action. So I've set all my charts like this, and I've got C Trader at the ready here. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in like this, and I'm going to take what is Euro USD? Okay, Euro USD is on a downtrend at the minute. Okay, I do not want to be taking Euro USD. In fact, I might actually take a sell on AUD, everyone, USD. Okay, this is, and I'm literally, if you've noticed, I'm literally just scalping the charts. You know, I'm not waiting for support and resistance lines because I have none. Absolutely none. Okay, now just to show you, you can't see this. Okay, my account history, you can see here, I have nothing, no account history. So I'm simply just going to trade. Now, I'm going to jump back on the 1 minute charts on Euro on the here, and I'm going to sell. In fact, I am going to sell AUD USD. So AUD USD. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly how to trade. Now, first of all, okay, the way I'm going to trade here is going to be different to what I previously trade. Okay, I'm going to just bring in a one lot size, no take profit, no stop loss. I'm going to take another one. I'm going to take another one like this, so you can actually see my positions like this. You can see the where's the pips? Oh yeah, pips are here. There we go. Right, just like that. There we go. Okay, right. So as you can see, AUD USD on the sell. Now, yes, I'm going to be trading completely different to how I normally trade. The reason being is because, like I said previously, I have built over 5 years of knowledge, 5 years of understanding how the market works, how the market reacts, you know, and just general candlestick patterns, you know, like you see on my charts now. I've took a sell trade on AUD USD. Okay, now this is just basic simple stuff. Okay, where's my I'm trying to find my chart so I can draw on here. Where is my, hold on, let me just, all these trades have just dropped nicely into the money. Where's my, I'm trying to find everyone, let me pause the video and I'll be back. Okay, right, I'm back, right? I'll pop this like this so you can actually see. Okay, right, so this is just basic, simple, okay? You know, I don't need to go into too much detail with this, but it's just basically, look, downtrend, pull back, downtrend, pull back, downtrend. I mean, that's pretty much it. You know, I couldn't be more simpler here. You know, I can see just from this area here, the price is rejected from the support area. So we had a break, pull back, retouch, drop. My stop loss for this trade will be down at the bottom. Okay. If I load up the binary destroyer here, it will probably give me a lot of sell signals and a lot of winners. But like I said, I'm just showing you the power of just trading, just basic price action. So I'm going to bring this back up like this, okay, and we've got, like I said here, you can see the sell trades on AUD USD here. Okay, so if AUD USD is going up, GP USD is also, that means that USD CAD, I haven't got USD CAD. Why haven't I got USD CAD on my charts? Let me just bring up USD CAD. USD CAD will be going up, everyone, if AUD USD is going down. So bring this up like that. Okay, again, get rid of the strength, get rid of my moving average, get rid of my volume. Okay, I don't need none of that. Pop this like that, and you will probably find that AUD USD is going up. So in fact, I want to put this like this. Okay, USD JPY, oh, these signals drop nicely into money. Look at these, nicely now. Okay, so USD JPY might form a double top here. We might start pulling off. Let me see what the 5 minutes is saying. No. NZD USD. Okay, I might take a buy as well on NZUSD. So let me just bring this up here. NZD USD. and I'm going to buy this. I'm going to use a smaller lot. There we go. Right, so I've took a buy on NZD USD. Again, same principles. Okay, double bottom. I can see a nice area of support here. Okay, so yes, those are my three. I've got 2 setups, but 4 trades on the move. So we have got NZ USD on a buy, and we've got AUD USD, which is here on a sell. So what I'm going to do, everyone, is I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to update you very soon on these trades. Hi everyone, so not a lot's actually happened. Okay, AUD USD is slowly pulled up, but it's going sideways now, because in fact I'm going to sell again. AUD USD done. And again, now the reason being I've decided to hedge my position is we've actually now come up to this resistance area at the top. Okay, now support. Okay, so this is why I entered again. Like I said, I haven't actually got any oscillators or moving averages, so it's very hard to tell when the market is going to reverse. Okay, but we are slowing down at this level. Okay, I originally entered the trade here, price pushed up, and as you can see by looking at the candlesticks, we are pulling down. Now you see this better on the 5-minute charts. You can see how price is now come up. Okay, and it's at that resistance area here. If I just slightly draw it here, okay, you know, this is just basic stuff, everyone. It's just basic support and resistance, and you know, chart analysis. You know, there's no MACDs here, there's no, you know, harmonic patterns or Fibonacci levels. It's just basic support and resistance. Downtrend, you know, double top here, downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. Okay, so all I'm doing now is finding that entry on the 1-minute charts. Now this is why I've obviously hedged my position. NZUSD is currently this one here, 1.4 pips out of profit again. NZUSD not really, and not here. We formed that double top bottom again, and we're pulled back. So this trade is against the trend, okay, which is a little bit worrying, but we are at that double bottom resistance zone here. So I am hoping for the price to hopefully rocket from this level here, but we'll see. Okay, you can see by we've been in a downtrend for quite a while on the 5-minute charts, and we haven't really pulled back. You compare the 5-minute charts to the AUD. Okay, look at the 5-minute charts on here. You can see how the market is pulled back and breathed, but on NZUSD the market hasn't even pulled back yet or breathed. So this is why I'm seeing a consolidation area where we might potentially pull back. So this is why I've entered a buy here. Again, something you'll learn over time. So now you can see that we are at this resistance area and we are starting to reject. So what I will do, everyone, again, is I'll pause the video and I'll update you very soon on these trades. Hi everyone, so AUD USD has just started to turn. Okay, so I'm going to take another sell on this setup here. Okay, now we should start to slowly pull down, which is really good. Again, NZUSD is just literally gone sideways. That's all it's done. But to be honest, I didn't expect anything less, mainly because we've had such a big downtrend like this. The market is pulling back and breathing, but not pulling back to where I want it to pull back. It's just basically going sideways at the minute. So hopefully we do eventually start to pull up. This is obviously when I would start to use indicators such as MACDs, RSIs and oscillators to get a feel of the momentum slowing down in the market. But from this, I can clearly see that we're rejecting by looking at this candlestick and this candlestick, and by the fact that basically we are not going down anymore. We're basically trended down, pulled back, and then now we're doing just something like this. Okay, so that is my take on this on NZUSD. AUD USD, hopefully this candle is still staying engulfing. Okay, it is slowly being pushed up, but on the 5-minute charts, let me just go over to the 1-minute charts.
Okay, you can see here an area of, if I just draw this trend line here, okay, you can see how price is slowly going down. Slowly but surely we are creeping down. So what I'll do, everyone, is I'll pop this like this again, okay, and I'll update you very soon on this trade. So I'll be back. Hi everyone. So finally these trades do eventually now pull into profit. Yes, obviously, as you can see, I did have to hedge my position initially, and as you can see, my first set of trades was here. Price then carried on trending up, and just to give you just a basic example, okay, we formed a double top at the top of a trend. So this was basically a mini trend up on the 5-minute chart, on the 1-minute charts, okay, formed a double top and then dropped. But obviously, if you look on the overall bigger picture on this currency pair, it's basically just a pullback with the trend. So it's good to see how everything works. Like I said, no RSIs, no indicators, no moving averages, just basic market knowledge. And obviously, you can see that I have hedged my position. That is only to take into account that my entry was off by about, I think my entry was off by about 4 pips. So, it is what it is. As you can see here, price has now randomly spiked against me. But I'm still confident eventually these trades will come back down to the bottom here. And hopefully, if I go to 5-minute charts and probably form a double bottom again. And that is where I will close my positions. So again, I'll update you very soon on these setups. Hi everyone. So yes, as you can see, price is still pulling down, but I'm actually going to close these positions early, as you can see I'm doing now. Okay, and I'm going to close these top ones here, here. Price is still pulling down. And the reason why I have closed these positions early is because I want to focus on NZUSD. Now, AUDUSD is working opposite with NZUSD. So as AUDUSD will come down into profit, NZUSD will be going the opposite. It will be going further and further out to profit. So what I need to do now is focus my time on trying to hedge my positions here. Now, first of all, I can see that standard support area here. I can see that price is coming down. If I just go over to the 30-minute charts, and I can see exactly where price is heading. Now, the way I hedge my positions when I'm scalping, okay, is I always have in the back of my mind a stop loss. Now, my stop loss is going to be below this position here, okay. Now, what I'm going to do now is start to hedge my positions, hoping the price will eventually come down to this zone and shoot off. If I just look at the higher time frames, we are forming a double bottom. So at the minute we are still bearish on this. Like I said, I was looking for that initial double top, double bottom, and then price rejecting off, but unfortunately price has now broken that and is now coming down to the next support area. So what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to bring this up here, NZD USD like this, okay, and what I'm going to do is just fire off a signal here. Okay, buy, and I'm going for a 0.5 and I'm going to buy here. Okay, so I've now bought it. Okay, now what again, I'm going to pause the video, just by the way, okay, just to kind of show you, okay, I will show you the results of my trading history today, as you can see, okay, all AUD USD, and they have come nicely into profit. Okay, again, you know, if I was using the stochastics or indicators, I probably would get a better entry. In fact, I will load up the binary destroyer here and just kind of generally show you on how we would enter this on a sell. So again, probably because this is the pullback, I'll trade the pullback zone. And again, okay, we've crossed over here and now pulling down. I might not actually have got a signal here. I don't think no, you see, these are the sell signals that the binary destroyer would have given me originally with this move. It wouldn't have given me a signal on the pullback though, where I entered the market here. It wouldn't have given me a signal at all. But it would have given me a signal at the top here, which is obviously very interesting. Notice again, price is still pulling down. So if price is pulling down on NZUSD, on AUD/USD, that means the same is happening on NZUSD. So I'll bring these back up here. Okay, I'll pop this like that. So you can see my positions on this. Now we should come down to this zone here, okay, and then we should start rejecting. Now what I will do, in fact, I will actually include I'm just going to quickly have a look at the relative strength index, and I'm going to see what that's saying. Okay, good. We've got momentum slowing down, which again here is my clear sign that momentum is slowing down. So for me, this is a very good sign. I'm just going to delete my RSI again. So it's telling me now, okay, from market knowledge, looking at the RSI, that price is coming down to this zone and going to start down, and we should now start getting a reversal at this point. So yes, I'll update you very soon with this trade in a couple of minutes. So I'll be back. Hi everyone, so I thought I would quickly update you on this trade, and as you can see, price has now started to Hi everyone, so apologies about that. My phone rang as literally when I was making this video. So yes, as I was saying previously, you can see that price has now come to this support level and started to reject, and this is why I hedged my initial position just to try and capture those extra few pips. Now, like I said previously, when I hedge positions, I always have a stop loss in mind when I do this. It's not just a case of every time the trade goes against me, hedge, 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 hedge. No, okay, counts get blown like that. So my initial stop loss is below this swing here. That is my point on which I will stop hedging and close this position in a loss. Like I said, if I was trading the binary destroyer or actually had an RSI moving average, then I would be getting a better entry with this. This is purely just price action, and yes, as you can see right in front of me, naked trading. So as you've noticed now, my first setups on AUD USD, all of them in profit, but you know, I was off with my entry. And again, AUD USD, with NZ USD, I'm just hedging my positions now, and hopefully these will come up. As you can see, it looks like it's stalling at this support level, at the resistance level at the top here. I will give it a few more pips and then make a decision on what I do with this trade. So again, I'll update you in a couple of minutes. Hi everyone, so yes, I might actually take another trade on this because we've just created a higher low on the 1 minute chart. So I'm just going to buy again on this. Okay, as you can see here, and now we should start to hopefully pull up. I am anticipating at least to this level here. On this is when I will start to close my positions, but as you can see, you get a general idea of what it's like to trade pure price action without any kind of indicator. So yes, I shall update you very soon on these in a, here we go, nicely all started to bounce up now. Hopefully the price does stay above, just break above this here, and then it does carry up here, and we should be good. So yes, I shall be back very soon. Hi everyone, so yes, as you can see, the positions have all started to go nicely into profit, even though they just pulled back now and the total is minus. I say that again. I am actually going to close these positions off now. The reason being is because I've been sitting here for around 2 hours now, and even though I'd love to carry on making this video, I'm going to head out now and grab some food. So I'm just going to wait for these to creep slowly into the money. Okay, just one final push up. So on the 5-minute charts, you can see, look, on the 5-minute charts, you can see we've come up to this zone now, and we're starting to reject, which is, let me just wait for these. Now we gotta close these positions off now. Okay, so there we go. Today's trading history, as you can see, nice £63. Like I said, the price has come back up to this support area here, okay, which again, I could leave these trades open. I could use a trailing stop loss now and obviously just leave these trades open, but I'm not going to do that. I basically just closed them early, and that is the end of that video. So yes, I hope you enjoyed it, and just genuinely showing you how you can make money from nothing. You know, just sit and learn and take the time to learn the charts. So yes, thank you for watching that, and yeah, if you have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.